This video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a quick look at how to perform a factory reset or RAM all clear or memory allocation on the NR-520RB register. So a big disclaimer up front, this is a really unusual procedure for an end user to be carrying out. I can think of only two reasons why you'd be attempting this. Reason one, you've bought a till second hand, possibly online, and you're looking to reset it back to default, out the box default, to remove all the previous business's information from there. Reason two, you've been advised to, specifically by your Sam4S authorised cash register dealer, and they are not carrying out the procedure for you because they are unable to attend site. So when you do this procedure, if successful, you are wiping the till back to year zero. You are losing all sales and programming information. So I can't advise if that's a good thing to do or a bad thing to do, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So in addition to the till, the only other thing you'll need is the metal key marked C, which will enable you to access the service position. So let's pop that in the till now. If we turn the till on, eventually we'll be turning it off, and I'll just show you how to get to the service position. Basically you turn all the way around to PGM and then one more turn, so you're in like a 6 o'clock position and it says service mode up there. We turn the till off at the side using the rocker switch, and then now we need to press and hold down this button here. On my machine it's marked as check, yours it might be badged up as something different, but it's always the button immediately above and to the right hand side of the cash tend button. You press and hold it down, and with the key in the service position you then turn the till on. It makes a funny noise from the printer and says RAM all clear. You now release that button that I was holding down, and then you need to press the top left, top right, bottom right buttons on the keyboard. It doesn't matter how they're marked up. Mine says receipt fee for the top left and then service check for the bottom left. Yours might say something different. You then press top right, bottom right, and it says RAM all clear, good. It then carries out the RAM all clear, so the memory all clear has been carried out and it confirms it's been done successfully. You get information here about the software version of your machine, and now you get the choice of loading the default memory allocation. So on an NR500, any machine in the range, the memory is customizable. What I'm going to do in this video is just show you the basics. So I'm going to use the standard memory allocation. Unless you've been told otherwise, that is what I would do. So you press cash, you've got a choice of no. If you want to set your own memory allocation, then you press X time. I'll be pressing cash. That loads the default memory. What I'd recommend is I'd keep hold of this. So this is a printout of your till's memory allocation. So it's telling you you've got 1,000 PLUs, 10 Clarks, etc, etc. Be useful to keep that to one side. If you're programming multiple tills, perhaps via the SD card, and are planning on zapping down the information from one till to another, you've got to make sure that you use the same memory allocation on each till, else the download won't work. But that's the procedure carried out. So we can now go back to the reg mode. The till is completely blank, so depending on what you're doing with it, you can now go to PGM to start programming. If you are programming the machine, then please check out the videos appearing on screen now, because they'll point you in the right direction. For more information, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.